everyone, this is Miss Janelle with another Science Fun video. For this project, we are going to learn how to make a baking soda rocket. So with the kit that you picked up from the library, you should have a bottle with a cork, 3 popsicle sticks, some vinegar and some baking soda. And what this rocket is all about is a chemical reaction with baking soda and vinegar. So what happens when we mix baking soda and vinegar together? I'm sure you've seen it, I'm sure you've done it before. But one is a base and one's an acid, so can you guess which one's which? Baking soda is the base and vinegar is the acid. So the baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, gets mixed up with the vinegar that contains acetic acid. And so they have a reaction together. So it's 2 different reactions. The first reaction is, of course, an acid-base reaction, because we have 2 things that are kind of contradictory coming together. And the second reaction is what we call decomposition. So this is when carbonic acid is formed and the result is the gas that comes out, right? So when the baking soda is fizzing, it's releasing a gas. So the carbon dioxide bubbles are just like what you would have in a soda. And so the similar reaction happens when a rocket goes off. So you're going to be making basically a similar reaction when rocket fuel is mixed together. So a rocket can lift from a launch pad only when it expels gas out of its engine. So the rocket can be solid or liquid propellant for launch, but they're mixing together. And what's happening is Newton's third law. Do you know that one? So for every reaction, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So what does that actually mean when we're talking about rockets? Well, we are combining these 2 ingredients just like the stages of rocket fuel. So when combined, they are creating a release of gas, which gets pent up in this bottle. And then that energy that we're creating needs to go somewhere. So that's when the pressure buildup makes your rocket launch. So in the next set of this video, you are going to see us launch the rocket. What you're going to need is a paper towel, because we're going to be filling the bottle with vinegar. We're going to be wrapping our baking soda up with a paper towel, and we're going to need the assistant of a parent or guardian before we launch our rocket. Make sure that you have all of these things together. If you have any eyeglasses or gloves, I highly recommend that too. And we need to go outside to launch our rocket because there's going to be a lot of pressure built up in our tiny little bottle, so we want to make sure it has somewhere to go. And up in the sky is better than all over your house. So hang on tight. We're going to go outside. We're going to launch our rocket. Okay, so we have our rocket outside and we're ready to go after we've attached all the popsicle sticks. You're going to put your vinegar in there, and you can see how much vinegar I have. And then you're going to take a paper towel piece, and you're going to put your baking soda in there and tie it up as tight as you can. What's going to happen is you're going to drop it into there, fix the cap on, tip it over, set it down, move away, and it should go off in a couple seconds. So we're going to give that a try now. And again, you need the assistance of a parent or guardian for this. Do not do this by yourself. Here we go.